So, the small numbers, we call these decimals when you have a really small number. Look at your examples. We don't call this in a number, we don't call it a period. We call it a decimal point. Alright? So this number, because the word decimal point is too long, when we say the number, we just say 1.2. Sometimes we will say 1 decimal 2. Okay, maybe a math teacher would say 1 decimal 2. But normal English speakers, we would just say 1.2. Alright? Here, we would say 0.2 or 0 decimal 2. Here, 0.23 or 0 decimal 23. We would never say 23. Alright? We would just say the number. Anything that comes after a decimal, just say it as the number. Don't say 100 or anything like that. Okay? 0.23. So here, not 0.234, no. Just 0.234 or 0 decimal 234. Alright, turn your page. We often talk about decimal places in English math. For example, your teacher gives you this question. What is 2 divided by 3? And you say, okay teacher, hang on, 2 divided by 3. Put it in your calculator. 2 divided by 3 is 0.66666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666666. So we don't need to know that. We don't need to know that there are 10 million sixes. Okay? We just want to say, maybe your teacher will tell you, well, solve it to 3 decimal places. Okay? So then you would say 2 divided by 3 is 0.667. Okay? Here's 1, 2, 3. There are 3 numbers after the decimal point, so that is solving it to 3 decimal places. Okay? Do you get that? You may have to do that in English math this year or next year. Who knows? So you have a worksheet here. This is something, again, remember, to help you practice with the words. This is the written part. I won't do the answers here. That's for you to do. Practice with all of these new words that you learned in lesson 3, the big numbers. And on the next video, we'll do the listening exercise together.